Today I'm going to show you how to make perfect savoury rice in the Tefal Cook4Me every time. Just follow these ingredients, and if you want it nice and orange like this, just add a teaspoon of turmeric at the cooking stage. So let's get on with it. Okay, so I'll go through my ingredients. This is not definitive, you can change this to whatever you've got in your fridge. I'm using mushrooms, medium diced onion, I've got some chopped garlic, 2 heaped teaspoons of mild curry powder. I've got some black pepper. I've also got a Knorr chicken stock pot. You can also use vegetable if you want to. I just find this gives it a better flavour. And I've got some leftover chickpeas here, half a tin from yesterday. You could just use normal frozen garden peas if you want to. We don't need to add any salt because these are quite salty already. And then we've got 100 grams here of basmati rice. You can use plain rice if you want to. As I say, not definitive. You can add sweet corn, red pepper, yellow pepper, whatever you want to. This is just what I've got in the fridge, so that's what I'm going to go with today. In addition to that, you're going to need 300 millilitres or around half a pint of boiled water. Take your stock pot, put it in the boiled water, and then give that a stir around and make sure it dissolves. Whilst that's finishing off dissolving, just open your Cook4Me, get a little bit of vegetable oil. This is optional, I'm just putting it in here to help the rice from sticking. And then just take all of your ingredients and put them in. You don't need to preheat anything. Just literally put them all in. Now add your stock. Doesn't matter if it hasn't completely dissolved. Get a wooden spoon, mix it all up. Then close the lid. Go into manual mode. Select pressure cooking. Set the timer for 6 minutes. And start. And then wait. And there you have it, perfect savoury rice every single time, delicious hot or cold, especially with a barbecue.